Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. If you want to create an Instagram account, you are at the right place. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to create an Instagram account on your mobile phone. For creating Google account, you have to open your smartphone, so let's jump into the video. Hello guys, for creating Instagram account, I am on my phone screen. Here you have to open your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. After searching for it, you have to click on Instagram application and install it. I have already installed it, so click on open button. As you can see that I have already a Instagram account. For creating new, I will select on the name and click on add another account and create account. If you are first time here, this screen will be the first screen in front of you. Here you have to choose a unique username for your Instagram account. I am choosing for mine. After choosing a unique username, click on the next button. Then create a strong password. I am creating mine. After creating a strong password, click on the next button. Then click on add phone number or email. Here you have to choose phone number or email for verifying yourself. I am choosing my email. Add your email here. After adding email, click on the next button. A login code has been sent to your email address. So open email and refresh. Here you can see that Instagram sent me a verification code. Copy that and then go back to Instagram and paste it here. Then click on next button. Click on complete sign up button. Then click on the skip button. Then click on skip. Here you have to choose your account privacy, if you want it private or public. As now I want it private, so I will click on the next button. Then I have to add a profile picture. I will click on add a profile picture and choose from library. Here I have to choose my picture. After adding picture, click on the next button and click on the next button. As you can see here, Instagram is asking me to share my profile to my friends. I don't want to do it, so I will click on the skip button. Here Instagram will offer me to follow some people, but I don't want to follow any of them, so I will click on the next button. This is my brand new profile. Here I can follow multiple pupils and see their stories and upload my own content. If this video helped you, please check out this playlist I have created on Instagram. It will tell you all about Instagram from start to end. If the video helped you, please click on the like button. Follow my journey by clicking on the subscribe button. That's it for today's video. It is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.